This is how you can remove audio from a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So we are going to open our software, Adobe Premiere Pro. The one I have is 2020. It's pretty simple. Let's allow the software to open. This may open a bit faster for some people, but mine is taking some bit of time because the computer is a bit slower. Please do subscribe to Lulua TV Tech and also Lulua TV. We have two channels. Lulua TV is the mother channel to this. Lulua TV does travel videos. We show you beautiful places in Uganda, and we have a playlist of beautiful places in Uganda. We have a playlist of Arua City. We have a playlist of This Is My Story. We have a playlist of the Star Talk, so you can check them out. Our software is opening. Our Adobe Premiere Pro is opening. Please, you'll bear with me if yours has opened a little bit faster. Mine is slower, and perhaps some people will also face the same challenge of slow response from their computer. So here you are going to click on new project. You wait for it to open. So you can name it, but I'll leave mine untitled. You can name yours the way you want. After naming, you click OK. I already had an untitled file, so I'm going to replace it with OK, and wait for the interface. So this is the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. It shows 4 different screens. So here I'm going to pick any video. Just pick in a random video, a video with an audio, video with audio. So you just drag and drop it here. So you can see it's showing video and audio. You can also decide to double click here and it opens in the first panel. And from here you have an option to either drag only audio or video. So when you grab this, it will only drag video, as it is shown drag video only. Here you only drag video alone. So this is the first way to remove audio from the video. So here I've dragged both audio and video. So the second way is to right click on it. You click unlink. You go to unlink. When you unlink, they will become 2 separate files. So you can delete the audio from here. Your video will remain alone. So these are the ways you can remove audio from video using Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to Lulua TV Tech.